Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, this is JOATD back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2015 Polaris Slingshot. Drop a comment from 1 to 10 if you like the customizations or not. Today's video is getting rid of this ugly tag holder. Alright, this is the brace that holds the tag and I hate it. Anytime I go over bumps or if we have extra weight in the slingshot, it always hits the tire. Today's video is on getting rid of or removing this terrible tag holder. Now the reason that I want to remove this tag holder is because when I ride, when I hit bumps or if there's extra weight in the slingshot, it comes down and it hits the tire. And every now and again, I mean, like I can hear the tag actually rubbing on the tire. So what we have to do is try our best to get something that'll brace it and hold it up higher. You can see it's leaning down because it's bent. It's supposed to be like this, but it's bent. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is remove the power supply. And as you can see, it's like a little clip right here. You push up on it, and while you're pushing up on it, you pull it loose. Underneath, there are 3 T40 star screws. So you have one here, one there, and then one over there. And what we're going to do is remove all 3 of them. That's one. Another. Now the reason it's so hard for me to get the screws is because the tag bracket has been bent down, so it's leaning in on the sides and it makes it a little harder for me, but for you it should be fairly easy. All right, and that's it. All right, so what we're gonna do is remove these 2 nuts here. They are 11 millimeter. Just take it and just twist it off. It's only a couple turns. And then we're just gonna remove this part. Now the reason I wanted to remove that is because there are 2 nuts in here that I want to remove, because I want this light here, and they are 5/16. All right, so we're gonna make sure you get both nuts and the actual washers. Now this should just pull right out, just like that. Make sure you cut this zip tie here. All right, so now we're just going to pull the light out. It should just come straight through. All right, so we had to cut the zip tie there. And this is the actual light. All right, so this right here is the new tag holder. It's fairly short. If you notice, it sits all the way up here. All right. The first thing we're going to do is put the light on it, okay? You can see the light goes right through the hole in the middle, all the way down, just like that. And then we're going to put the nuts and washers back on the back side. Alright guys, I'm not just known for one video. I have multiple videos. I'm not just a one-trick pony. I'm a one-stop shop. It's in the name, Jack of all trades Dre. We have motorcycle videos, car videos, Park It 360 videos, small engine videos, Bentley videos, Cadillac videos. Should I keep going? Mini bike engine swap videos, BMW suspension sag videos, Scion tensioner pulley removal videos, small engine leak repair video. I think I made my point. I'm out. All right, so it came with its own bag of screws, and I still have the old ones. Obviously, they want you to use these. And as you can see, the light is on and the wires through it. All right, so the new screws are 5mm hex, and I'm pretty sure that these two are for these, and the one with the white washer is for the middle one. All right, so when you put the third one in, you can remove the washer. All right, guys, so I have all three of the 5mm hex screws in, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and screw them down. I'm gonna do the one in the back first. We got it on, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and connect the power. The power's connected. Now with this, you're going to have to twist this up a little bit, push it up, and make sure you zip tie it, because you don't want this to be hanging low and hit the tire and get snatched out. Tag's going to sit about right here, but I want the tag to sit up higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this all the way up, and I'm going to drill new holes. And that is it. It's a lot higher. I'm loving it. Now all I gotta do is put a tag in it. See how high it is. All right, guys. This is JOATD, and this is my video on how to remove that hideous tag holder. All right, guys. I'm out.